So how you doing, guys? So here I'm coming again with the second one. This is the old one that I take it off from engine, and this is the new one that I'm going to install it. See, so always to check the slot right here. Over here there's a slot in here, just like that. You see, it's not going to be rotate the engine if you are marking on the right position, and you just put it back again. That's all, just like easy. And this is the way it is, huh? As you can see, high pressure pump comes there. It's a lot of job, and the special tools stay there, huh? Stay there, be safe. Otherwise, you should have to forget this job. You're gonna go the risk if you are not fix the timing, the pump drive gear on its place. Should be fixed there till you finish the job, till you put it back the new pump. And this is it. The new tech, high tech, and everything is gonna be complicated, you know. And the engineering thinks the other way, that we mechanics I think better, that because we are doing the job. And we know that how we are complicated going through that fix the car. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, give you comments. So I'm gonna position the pump, its position. You have to check everything, and it seems that it's the same pump, the Bosch pump, you know, the original one, and they're the same. So only the position, the old pump, that you are going to take it off and put it on the right way. That's all. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, give a comment.